Let's go. Okay, go. You go first.
Go first.
Because I am drinking hot chocolate, and I do not like stuff.
I don't know what the hell. I don't think there's enough light in here to actually record this. Wait. I'm prepared. I am prepared to go through this place.
Whoa, yeah, why don't you go light it up, players? I can't see.
Oh, you're ruining the effect, guys.
Okay.
I can't see anyways.
Doesn't matter because there's not enough light to camera to pick up anything. Oh, hello there. Hello there.
Hey, for a second I got scared of the light. I'm not gonna lie. I saw the light move and I was about to scream, but then I was like, oh, that's a light.
Okay.
No, I saw like our shadow.
The shadows move. Well, these guys have been here for a long time.
Whoa, these people are actually so creepy.
Dun, 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 dun,
I
dun.
don't think there's enough light in here to actually
That's okay,
pick up.
doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just walk through. Is that it?
Oh.
No, there's still more.
It's on the wall. Ooh,
Whoa.
warm shit.
Whoa.
And the bathroom. Oh, the windows. I mean, the mirror's cracked.
I hate bugs.
Where?
The worms.
Snakes.
Okay, can we?
Okay.
What the frick?
Don't go back.
There's only one way out of this
What if
place.
your terrorized screams?
Let them scream. They die. It's their problem.
Werewolf attack.
Marysia, you got this.
Oh, that didn't work.
Drinking ice cream.
That guy's pretty creepy, Marysia.
It's creepy. That is creepy.
That is.
Yeah.
Thank you for blowing
Well,
eardrums.
but he's made of styrofoam. It's okay.